Hello, and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic today is definitions, part 2. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Check out the status bar below for our agenda. Stick around to the end for those bonus questions. Our topic, definitions, comes from 210.3 and 211.3. In this video, we will cover definitions number 6 through 10. Number 6, non-fiber releasing filter means any filter which, after appropriate pretreatment, such as washing or flushing, will not release fibers into the component or drug product that is being filtered. Number 7, active ingredient means any component that is intended to furnish pharmacological activity or other direct effect in the diagnosis, cure, mitigation, treatment, or prevention of disease, or is to affect the structure or any function of the body of man or other animals. The term includes the components that may undergo chemical change in the manufacture of the drug product and be present in the drug product in a modified form intended to furnish the specified activity or effect. Number 8, inactive ingredient means any component other than the active ingredient. Number 9, in-process material means any material fabricated, compounded, blended, or derived by chemical reaction that is produced for or used in the preparation of a drug product. Number 10, lot means a batch or a specific identified portion of a batch having unified character and quality within specified limits, or, in the case of a drug product, produced by continuous process. It is a specific identified amount produced in a unit of time or quantity in a manner that assures its having uniform character and quality within specified limits. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Send any questions to me at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained, making quality systems simple for you.